How many out of you like mathematics? Only two people like mathematics. Some people are thinking, or they confuse that we are like or dislike mathematics. Okay, don't worry. So everything which are happening is completely mathematics. Even our body is based on mathematics. Okay, I give you one example why our body follow the rule of mathematics. A newborn baby, if we have 3 or 4 a newborn baby, 2 days or 3 days, their faces will be same, their height will be same. Okay, so as soon as they will grow, the shape of the body will change and we can recognize. Okay, if you will take the ratio of this head, okay, you will take this ratio and the height, complete height. When you will divide the ratio of the newborn baby as well as you are will be same. There will be some constant. Okay, this height and along in this way will be same. Okay, so if the ratio is not constant, even you will take the size of this ear and this one, this will be also constant. If you take the size of this and this one, when you will divide, this will also be constant. So if these are in some pattern, then our body will be look beautiful. If these are not in the same ratio, then body will look abnormal. Okay, so for the beauty, these ratios are mandatory. So our body, complete body is completely follow the rule of mathematics and mathematically based. If you will see the person whose height is long, his face will also be long. Okay, if a person have small height, his face will be like round shape. Okay, if you will put the head having the round shape, the on long height person, that will not be look beautiful. Okay, so all the things which we are observing around us completely based on mathematics. Even nature itself follows the rule of mathematics when you will observe mathematically. So this is completely machine learning, deep learning, data science. These are not different branches. These are interlinked and many things are similar. Okay, so if you are thinking about data science or machine learning model, then first thing you need mathematics. Second thing, you need statistics also. And third is computing. So these three parts are necessary. Along with, you should have more skills which are required. Computing thinking, logical thinking, critical thinking, okay, and storytelling. Because when you have studied the data and you have some information, that information you will share with the people or for the audience, you have some prediction. So this must be like a story. Okay, everyone can easily understand. So many things are there to become a data scientist. Only mathematics, computing and statistics are not sufficient. You must have other skills also. Okay, then you will be able. So why machine learning? Machine learning based on statistic is basically attempting to find a relationship between input and output. Okay, so when you will make a machine intelligent, you have two things. Input is also there and output is also there. And on the basis of these two, input and output, we can make intelligent machine that can be design a model, and on the basis of that model, which is trained on the basis of information, can be used for the prediction. Okay, and all these are used in organizations. Government are collecting a lot of data, like for the 5-year plannings, in the politics, for the prediction, Okay, information from the data is being used to take key business and political decision. At lower levels in the organization, data is used for MIS reporting, and is high level data based perspective and predictive models are being built, and machine learning is the most popular technique these days of creating these predictive and perspective models. So if you want to design these models, we need machine learning. And how the machine learning we can establish, we need various type of skills are required. Okay, so we will start from very beginning, from zero level, and I hope that this will very useful for you in the future, because then when we complete the entire things, 2 hours is not sufficient, but this session will provide you some basic information how you can how your skills or the computing tools as well as mathematics play very important role for the machine learning and deep learning. So this part I want to skip, not required, because otherwise our technical session will be skipped. So now the other thing is, the tool which we want to use today is, all of you are recommended that you must log in your Gmail account, that is mandatory, and only Gmail account is required. And also check your Google Drive, the space must be at least 10 GB in your Google account. Total is 15 GB, but we need 10 GB empty space. Sufficient. Sometimes we upload many images and other information in Google Drive and we don't have space. Then in that case we have problem. So first we have some basic information, introduction about Google Colab, which we want to use. So a little information about Google Colab. A collaborative environment for Python development. We can use Google Colab, and that is completely based on Python. And the files which will be saved in this Google Colab will be same as Jupyter Notebook. You have listened about the Jupyter Notebook. Okay, so the file extension will be same as in the Google Colab, completely based on Jupyter Notebook. Okay, so all the files which you are using in Jupyter Notebook you can upload here and you can perform your task. Google Colab, short of Google Collaboratory, is free cloud-based platform provided by Google that offers Jupyter Notebook environment to write and execute Python code. Collaboration allows multiple users to work on the same notebook simultaneously, and no need to install any software locally. Everything runs on the Google's server. Sometimes when you install any Python or Jupyter Notebook in your system, you need to install the other libraries along with. But in the case of Google Colab, this is not required. All the basic libraries which are required for data science and machine learning are available in this Google Colab. Just we need to create account, and your Gmail account is required only. Okay, so following that you can easily perform all type of basic operations which are required for data science, machine learning or other programs related to Python. Seamless integrations with Google Drive for easy storage and sharing a notebook. You can easily access your notebook from any device with internet connection, and free GPU and TPU provides free access to graphical processing unit and tensor processing unit for running machine learning model efficiently. And pre-installed libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, TensorFlow, making it convenient for data analytic and machine learning. And just what you will do, you will log in your Google account and navigate to Google Colab. Okay, so come at this place. How you will do? You need to open Google. This is my Gmail account already login. Okay, and in the Google you can search here Google Colab. You can search Google Colab. So here we have Google Colab, and on the top you can see here this is the link Google Colab, and just you need to click on it, but your Google account must be login. And you can open new notebook. Actually I have already this Google account, so that's why you can see there are some files are there. There will be no notebook sign if you have opened the Google Collaboratory. This will appear like in this way. Okay, so at this place you can open new file or existing file, you can upload file. Okay, and all the files will automatically be saved in your Google Drive. When you will create any file and you will perform some operations, that file will be automatically saved in Google Drive. Okay, so see here, this is my Google Drive. Okay, and here you can find folder which is created this Colab when so all the files are Colab lies in this folder, Colab notebooks. So when you will create any file, you need not require to save, just you need to assign any name and that file will be automatically saved in your Google Colab. Okay, and you can, how you can start this Google Colab by taking new file. Just you need to click on file. Okay, and from this place you can select new notebook. So new notebook has been opened. From this place you can assign name. You can give any name. Do parallel with me. Are you getting? Text are small. If you want to increase the font size, you can do Control, Shift and plus. Is it fine? Is it okay? Font size is okay to last one. So when you will open, this is the new file, and this Control Shift plus. Control Shift plus. You can try Control plus only. Okay, and if you want to decrease, then Control minus only. When you will do press Control and minus, the size will decrease. If you want to increase, then Control plus. Okay, but here I need to press Control Shift and plus. So here I give the name first class. Okay, you can assign any name, depend upon your choice. So now the thing is how you can create this file. There are two sizes, one is code and other is text. Okay, so first we will press on the text sign. So here you can give any text. First lecture on Colab introduction. So what you will enter the statement on the left hand side, the same will appear on the right hand side. If you want to make it bold, you can do just select the entire text and press on B. Okay, and you can see on the right hand side the text is now bold. If you want to increase the font size, then you can press on this T, or either you can use hash. Okay, you can use hash. If you will use it 2 times, then it will be in Jupyter notebook it will be more. Okay, but this is the maximum size. Okay, you can use single time or 2 time. So in Colab book we use single time means full size. When you will use 2 hash, then the font size will decrease. Okay, then you will enter, control and enter. Or if you want to jump to the next cell, then shift and enter. When you will press shift and enter, your cursor will be on the next cell. Now we are at the place where we can insert our statement. Okay, if you are familiar with Python, here we can insert our statements based on programming. Okay, if you want to assign any value, A is equal to 2, I have, enter. B is equal to, I have 6, enter. C is equal to 3 and enter. D is equal to, you can take any operation. D is equal to, this is very simple operation I am taking here, A plus B minus C, and then enter and print D. And you can run these sequence of statement. Just you can see on the left hand side there is place sign. Either you will press at this place. Okay, but in the beginning you will see that on the left bottom the circle sign is yellow. It means this notebook is being connected with Colab, and when it will be successful the sign will change. Now it is green. The green means our lab is connected with Colab, and now we can perform every operation. You can see the operations which are executed at this place. For the assignment we are using equal sign, and ABC are the variables, and 2, 6, 3 are the corresponding values. So these values are stored in ABCD. Okay, and when you will execute this operation, the corresponding value is 5. So either you can press control and enter. When you want to execute this sequence, you can press control and enter. You can see the same sign is playing now. Okay, you can perform some more operations. So here if you want to get a new cell, what you will do, you will press control and enter. See, control and enter, new cell will open. Okay, now you can choose here some more variable, and you can operate different type of statement, whatever you need. So there are 3 keys. One is to create a statement or title for the file. Second is how you can execute the statement, and to execute the statement just you can click on the plus sign, or you can press control enter. Okay, and second, when you want to open new cell, you will press shift plus enter. Okay, so here you can choose some more statement or more operation. You can see here A is equal to, we have 89, enter. B is equal to, we have is 45, and what for the exponent What is the command or symbol is used for exponent in MATLAB? Sorry, in Python? C. Take the small values. These are very large. C is equal to, I have is A and 2 times this product sign and B. And then print. Okay, then execute. For the exponent 2 raised to power 3, 2 raised to power 3 we have is 8. Okay, so the meaning of this one is A raised to power B. The meaning of this one is A raised to power B or A exponent B. And when you will execute this statement, we have this value. And if you want to, for the division, D is equal to, we have is C upon, you can take A and print D. So we have two values. You can see the value of C is 8 and that of D is 4.0. Okay, so I think these statements which you want to execute are quite simple. And for the comment we are using hash. All the statements which I present here are playing in your system. It's okay? Great. Any problem? So now we have some more information about this file. Just 1 minute, I want to open one file. Yes, so I have created this file, data analysis with Panda. What is Panda? What is Pandas? One of the Python library. If you want to edit, I will provide all the content which are prepared at this place, okay, and I will try to share with you also, but some few operations are required. So Panda is a powerful library for data manipulation and analysis in Python. It provides data frame object for handling and analyzing tabular data. And here is some detail. Okay, so if when you are using Jupyter Notebook, first before start using this library, you need to install in your system and only then you can execute. Okay. And to install the same, we have to use this statement pip install pandas. So when you will use this statement in Jupyter Notebook, if the Panda is not available in your system, this will install this library. But if you will play in Colab, see what happens. Yes, what you are observing, requirement already satisfied. The meaning is that this library already exists in Colab. We need not require to install. So all the libraries which are associated with data science, machine learning, all these libraries already is along with this Colab. We need not required to install. If you will try to install, this will convey the message, but sometime if you need some specific library, you are doing some scientific computing, but the library is not available. In that case, you can install that particular library by using this statement, okay, just like SciPy or SymPy. SymPy is also, I think, already there in system. You can check it. Yes, SymPy is also available in Colab. So the main thing is we need not required to install the libraries, because most of the people or the audience are for machine learning and data science. Okay, so all the basic libraries in the beginning or already exist in our Colab. So just we need to start. So how you can start? Libraries are there, just we need to import. So first what we do? You will import pandas. You will import pandas as PD. Okay, so we not required to use every time pandas, we will use only PD. And the thing is, when you are using, first you need to play this statement. Okay, otherwise if you will not execute this statement import pandas as PD, then the other statement below this one will not work, because these are the sequence pattern. So along the sequence we have to play each statement. Sometimes if you have this file and you import the pandas, but you are jump to this one at this place. Okay, so these statement will not execute, because there are some information in the statements where pandas are required. Okay, so you need to play all the statement step by step, then this file will work. So what we are doing now, first we import pandas as PD. Okay, then we need some data frame, and you can easily create the data frame. Okay, so to create the data frame, what you will do? Data is equal to, first in the string we have name of data frame, you will put at this place. Name a data frame, then age, and salary. And df is equal to pd dot data frame data. Okay, so the data will be stored at this place in data, and we can print. For that we will use df assignment variable for the data frame. See pd dot data frame. By using the data frame function we can create, and for the print you will use the print statement and execute. So you can see at this place data frame has been created. See the sequence of statement. Okay, you will start in this way, parenthesis, then quote sign is there, between the quote sign we have the name. Okay, and names are also in the form of a string. You will use quote sign separated by comma and so on. Age, these are the numbers. Salary is also the numbers. and when you will execute, this data frame will display or print. It's okay? Done? Done? First doing. Okay. Visibility is okay. Last one. The text which are available at this, on the are visible? Not visible? Okay. Sir, all the students are in WhatsApp group?
DF तो किस पे?
सर अभी ग्रुप बनाएंगे।
Group नहीं है.
DF
Yes.
हमारे जो गे थे
सर अभी बना देते
Where is import panda as PD?
सिंपी
You are in Colab. This one not required. Where is backside pass? Okay, so import pandas, not panda, pandas. Yes. Okay, when the statement will be correct, there will be no underline. Okay, otherwise this will show error.
ओके
Come to the top, back, pip install. Import pandas as PD. Yes. Yeah. And then okay, age. The length must be same. Here are 3 and here are okay. So while entering the data, the length of each array must be equal. Okay, if there are 4 names, then the corresponding age will be same. Okay. Here are 3.
Yes, three.
Okay, 3 and 3. Okay, execute from this place. First run this file, this statement. Yeah, now run this one.
ये ध्यान लगा दिया पानी पूरी कर दे
PD data frame. Please correct frame, F uppercase, data frame. Okay. So if you want to filter, then you can do. If you can see that there are data which are 4 persons are there and corresponding to their age is also there and salary. Okay. If you want to filter. If you want to check the age who is greater than 25, you can assign the filter. And how you can do? So see at this statement, df in bracket df age. Okay, we want to use filter for age group. Okay, and age is stored in df. From the data frame we will extract only age, and age must be greater than 25. Okay, this is again we have data frame and we will store at this place. Now we can print the same. Now we can print the same, and you will see that after playing the same we have this data. So there are only two persons whose age is greater than 25, and you can use this statement for filter, or if you need less than, then you can change the sign, less than. So this will return again the age less than 25. Is there any your class WhatsApp group? If a class group is there, then it will be very easy to share the information with you, because I think the text are not visible to the last person. Sir? Yes. So we can share this content in the WhatsApp group. Sure. So if we can, otherwise this will not be helpful. Okay.
Listen everybody. I'm sending one link to you. You just join now. That's a WhatsApp group. Okay? Sir,
Okay. Will be shared in the WhatsApp group so that you can easily access them and you can use, because the audience is very large and the text are very small, so visibility is very less to the students which are sitting in the last bench. So from the file you can easily access everything and we can save the time. Very easy. For the aggregation, various aggregations in the data science we can use for statistical, calculating the average, mean, median, standard deviation, all the statistical methods you can easily apply. So here we want to get the mean of salary, average of the salary. So from the data frame we will extract salary, okay, dot mean. So this statement will calculate the mean of average salary, and at this place we will print the statement, okay. So average salary and the salary which will be computed and stored in this place will in the we need to convert in the string, okay. So you can easily do by using this statement using f function, and when you will execute you can see that the same will be after calculating printed at this place. So from the database you can use at this place other functions, standard deviation, and if you need to apply other tests you can do also. And I think the file also has been shared in the WhatsApp group. You got it? Not yet? If you are the screen is not visible, you can take the help from the PDF file. Sir, I have shared 2 more files which is completely based on the machine learning model, and everything we will discuss following the same. So I want that these file must be with every student in your WhatsApp group and download on the system, so that we can discuss one machine learning model. So all the things which are required is available, and how you can execute this statement, how you can import the database from the Excel file, how you can visualize everything, and which type of tools are required for the machine learning model. Okay, so we will discuss now one model, and required about 2 hours. Okay, but we will try to complete this model which is based on machine learning. So there will be many things in this model which we need one by one step. If you want to make a group, you can easily do, and here you can see that group data based on the column and then apply aggregation. And here we are using in the first we have the age group, and then we have the salary group. So these 2 groups are created from the data frame, and how you can do df dot group by. Okay, so this will make a group according to the desire, and then we will insert here statistical method. We are using mean dot reset index. So what will this do? This will re-index according to the mean. Okay, and at this place this will print the value. This will print the grouped data frame. And see, when you will execute, you can see the result at this place. You can see the age is in ascending order: 22, 25, 58 and 30, and all these are corresponding to the average salary. And in the second column you can see 45,000, 50,000, 60,000 and 70,000. Okay, and index reassigned. So in this way you can apply this several type of operations for your manipulating data frame after creating in your system. And very quite simple is statement is there. Got it? Are you doing? Some of the student may be slow in typing because required time, and sometimes you have to see on the slide also, and the text small, take more time. So for the same I provide the content which I am using here in the PDF file. Okay, so if still you are facing the problem, don't worry, I will provide all these script files so that you can do practice on it. Okay, and if you want to visualize, for the visualize we need to import matplotlib. Okay, so matplotlib is a library which is used for visualizing the data. So what we will do, we will import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. So PLT will be used it everywhere. So first we need to import the library and then we will use. Okay, so this is the abbreviation which we will use for the visualization or plot the graph. And this is very quite simple. So what we are doing for the plot of the database, for the database which we create now, we are plotting the bar graph. Okay, there are several type of graphs, but I choose here bar graph. How you will use? PLT.bar. Okay, Then from the grouped database, we will choose is first argument is age on the horizontal line, and on the vertical line we will have salary. Okay, then we can assign the labels on horizontal line and vertical line on x-axis and y-axis. How you can do? For x-axis we are using plt.x label, and label is age group. Okay, and on the vertical line we have plt.y label, that will be average salary, and for the title we are using plt.title, and that this title will be print on the bar graph. And to print the image we are using plt.show. So this will print the image or bar graph when you will execute this sequence of statement, and you can see this is the bar graph. Okay, so you can first enter this statement for the bar plot. plt.bar grouped underscore df age comma grouped underscore df. So the grouped data is stored in the grouped underscore df. plt.x label, plt.y label, plt.title. So in this way you can enter all the statement, and then you can execute. So many errors are there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, data frame D must be in uppercase. In the frame, F is uppercase. Syntax are very sensitive. Okay, so when there is underline in highlighted form, it means there is error in our statement. Okay,
के कितने बच्चे हैं रेज योर हैंड्स
are you getting? Are you doing?
ए सेक्शन के करो रेज एंड बी
Okay, you are creating database.
I don't know what had just happened. It's not connecting.
It is not connecting.
No.
First open the file. New notebook. Okay. Yes.
It's
First
working before. I
Yeah,
had
you-
already signed in my ID.
Google sign in required. Sign in. Don't worry. You can do again. Yes. Check this one. Next. Do next. Yes. Now you can do. You can make change at this place. You can assign title. This file will be available in your Google Drive. Okay.
From edit.
Yeah. Oh, no. Just click on the untitled.
Okay.
Click on untitled. Yeah. You can give the name to the file. Okay. Any name. In the beginning, we have many confusions. Yeah. From this place, you can edit the title. Yeah. Are you doing?
Yes, sir.
Great. Is any problem?
No, sir.
No? Are you doing?
Yes, sir.
Put your file in this way. In this way. Rotate this one. Okay? Yes. Now it is fine?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Put it in the right place and then use.
Yeah.
Are you doing? Are you getting everything? Any problem? In this side? You are working together.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Going well?
Yes, sir.
Going well?
Yes, sir.
Any issue?
No, sir.
So these comments are not required. Comments are not required. We need only the statements. The text which are in the green color, these are not the part of programming. Only the black color. Okay, these are comment. Because of the statement is not correct. DF average salary is equal to DF. Something is missing. Where is the? DF salary dot mean. Did you execute the above statement? Just 1 minute. Most recent call last. Okay. Key self. Scroll down. What is the error? Salary. Here is salary. See the, and here is S is in uppercase. Text are very sensitive. Okay, very long.
वो मैं कर देता हूँ कैसे कर Sir, why we use this reset underscore index?
Dot reset underscore index. Yeah, there is some error, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, here S is in lowercase.
Yes, sir.
And here you are using in uppercase. Again on the code. Again in the age. Actually the text are very sensitive. So we have to, this is run, okay?
Age is smaller.
Yeah, this is the problem. Huh? Yeah, actually this will reset the index according to the average. Okay, in ascending or descending order, whatever we have the average. So corresponding to the average, the index will be reassigned. Are you doing?
I forgot to define PD. I forgot to define.
Here is the error, and go back. Here is also error.
Yeah.
Yeah, scroll down. Just pip install pandas. Use S at this place.
I do this.
Yeah, but we need not required install in this Colab because this is already installed in Colab. Okay, we need not required to install this one. Scroll down. There are so many errors in your file. Comment this one. Control hash. Use hash.
Yeah.
No?
No.
No working? Yes. Okay. Yeah, this is working?
Yes.
Okay. Then scroll down. Here what you have done. data frame is incomplete. So if there are 4 names, okay, age, this also must be, this statement is incorrect. That's why not working. Compare with this one, okay? Every statement must be very correct. How you can enter the data, okay?
Repeat it, please.
There are 2 files. One is actual file and second is repeat file.
You need to upload customer churning prediction .python file in your Google Colab. Upload here. Go to this Colab notebook in your Google Driver. Folder is there. Just you need to click on it and you can upload the file, which is Python file. Only that need to required upload at this place. And CSV file must be in your system anywhere. Only then we can start to work on machine learning model. Just you need to follow the instructions. You need not required to type any statement. All the things are there. Just you will use this file, okay? And during this 1 hour, we try to cover the entire file, okay? But 1 hour is not sufficient. After uploading the file, you need to open in Colab. You got everyone? Everyone have the file?
ग्रुप च एक एक्सेल फाइल है ये बायो कोड.
Dear students, there are 2 files in your WhatsApp group. One is CSV file that must be on your system in any drive, and second is Python file. The extension will be .ipynb. Okay, upload this file in Google Colab and then open it. So when you will open, this will appear like in this way, and on the top there is title, how to import CSV file in Google Colab. Okay, then there are some few steps and you will follow all this. Now, during this session, you did not require to type any statement. All the things are available in this file, okay, to save our time. But you need to follow all this and how you can use this model. Okay, so first you will follow all the instructions which are available in this file, how you can use, how you can import the file, how you can manipulate, how you can create the database, everything is there. Okay, so what you will do, first you will open the file and then in the very first we are given 3 statements to upload the file. So first statement is from google.colab import file. Okay, and when you will run this file, also upload file.upload. So the CSV file will be, when you will execute this statement, the file will be connected with Colab. As you can see that at the bottom the sign is yellow, and when it becomes green, this will connected with Colab, and now there is some message. You can see it. Here is some message, choose the file. Okay, when you will execute this file and after connecting with the Google Colab, you will see choose the file, just click on it and then select the file. Okay, so here we are going to select the file which is we are selecting the same file which I share with you. Okay, you will click on it, select the file and open. So you can see the file is being uploaded in the Colab 30%, 45% and so on, 75% and 100%. 100% showing that the file is uploaded in the Colab. Now we can play with this file and do all in this way. First you will execute this statement, play on the click on the play sign. Okay, there will be one message, choose the file from the directory, and when you will click on it, you can select the file and open it, and file will be uploaded in the Colab. So before starting this machine learning model, you need to import some database which is available in Excel file or CSV file. Mostly we are using CSV file for data science and machine learning. So all the information is available in CSV file, and you will see that 100% is their message. It means our file is uploaded in Colab. Now in the next step, get the file name. Get the file name. So how you can get? You will file underscore name is equal to list upload dot keys, empty bracket, and in the square bracket we have 0. So this will extract the name of the file, and if you want to print the file name, then again you can use this statement file underscore name. When you will execute this sequence of statement, and this will print the name of the file which is imported in Colab, and you can see that here is message churn modeling 1.csv. So this file is available in our Colab, and now we can play with this file. Got it? Done? Okay. Either say last one. Have you done? So in the same file, there are some libraries which are required for this model. Okay, so very first is pandas ASPD, then NumPy is also required. NumPy is NP, Seaborn is SNS, matplotlib.pyplot is PLT. For warning, if there is any kind of error in the database, then warning message is required. And for the machine learning, these all libraries are required. sklearn, pre-processing import data. We will import as label encoder. Then we need the trend test split, logistic regression, Gaussian NB, decision tree classifier, random forest classifier, k-neighbors classifier. All these are different models which are required for the machine learning. Okay, for the more detail we can discuss later. Yes.
Sir, can you show the code again?
Which one? In the beginning?
Earlier, for uploading that.
Okay. You did not upload the file? We share the file in your folder. So if you will take the, you will follow the same file, we can complete this model. Otherwise, we will not able to complete this model. Okay, that's why I prepared the file so that everyone can use this file, and you will follow all the instructions how you can use. So first you will use these two statements to upload the file and run this code from the first cell, and you will get the message choose file. From this place you will select the file, click on it and choose the file, open it. Okay, and the file will be uploaded in the Colab. It will take few seconds. 90%, 100% done. Okay, after that if you want to show the name of the file, you can use this statement. To get the file name, we will use this statement, upload list upload dot keys bracket and then square bracket 0. If you want to print, you can use file underscore name. When you will execute, this cell will return the name of the file. After that, for this machine learning model, we required numerous libraries and models which are required for the machine learning model. Okay, so this is the list of the all the libraries: Pandas, NumPy, Seaborn, Matplotlib. These 4 libraries are always required for the data science. Okay, then these are the some machine learning model. Okay, label encoder is there. To make a machine intelligent, first we need to train. Okay, for the training you will use this one. Okay, then we have logistic regression, Gaussian, decision tree classifier. So all these are models which are required. And when you will play this cell, all these libraries will import in Colab. All the models will be import in Colab, and then after we can execute, we can play with our CSV file or database. Okay, so these 2 cells are required to run first, and then after we can go for the next level. Have you done these 2 steps? First thing is import the CSV file. Second is all the libraries which are required for this model. And this file are already shared with you in WhatsApp. That's why I am asking to upload in your system in Google Colab. And from that place you must open. Pardon? File name. Okay, see here, this is the very first statement to import the CSV file or to upload the file. Okay, so first statement is from google.colab import files, and then to upload we will use this statement files.upload. When you will execute this statement, the file in your system we can easily upload. This message will appear. Choose the file, click on it and select the file and open it. It will take few seconds. It will take few seconds. 45%, 60%, wait till 100%. 100%. Now the file has been uploaded. If you want to print the name, whether which file is uploaded, okay, you can check in the next statement. Here is the list statement to check which file is uploaded in the Colab. Okay, so when you will execute, the file name which is uploaded in your Colab will print it at this place. You can see. And again, then after we have, these are the sequence of statements to import the libraries, pandas, numpy, seaborn, matplotlib. Then we have some libraries and the models which are required for machine learning. Okay, so all these are from sklearn. Okay, so some are related to the pre-processing. We need label encoder, we need to train the database. Then we have logistic regression, Gaussian, NB, decision tree, and all these are required for this existing model. So first you need to import all these libraries and the models which are required for machine learning. These are required. First you need to play. Only then we can go for next level. So all these are the machine learning models. Okay, then and all these are some basis on probability. Some are related to the matrix algebra. Okay, so we will not go more detail about this. Just first what we will do, the file which we import and store in the name of file name, and now we want to read the file, and for to read the CSV file we are using the function pd.read_csv. Okay, but the file is imported with the name of file underscore name with this one C on the top. C on the top. See here in the second step, this is the file name. Okay, the imported file is saved, or the information in the assignment variable file underscore name. The same must be used at this place. Otherwise, this will return error. See, this name is the same as we save the imported data with the name of file underscore name. When you will execute this statement, this will read the database. Okay, all the database will be read by this statement. And if you want to display the head, all the information which is stored in this database data frame df, you can use df.head, and when you will execute, this will print the entire data. You can see at this page. So these are the heads of the entire data. You can see. This is the entire data which is in our CSV file, and this is the data frame which you can see.